Hi Tiny Stampers, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna get into the Christmas spirit with the sparkly snowflake design. It's perfect for short nails and short nail beds. I know holiday nail art can feel a little bit overwhelming when you don't have a lot of space to work with, but you can absolutely create something magical on the tiny canvases. So I'm starting off with two types of bases, a teal glitter polish for the full nails. This is also flash reflective, and a sheer neutral color for the accent nails. So if you have short nails, mixing full coverage in negative spaces is actually a great way to make your manicure look more detailed without overcrowding it, and also it will look more balanced. Now in one of the sheer nails, I'm gonna do a French tip with the same teal glitter polish. So I'm gonna draw a straight line where my free edge starts, and then I'm gonna try to round that line to make it look a little bit more pleasing, and I'm gonna fill that out with the same polish. For the glitter polish, we're gonna apply thin coats. Thin layers dry a little bit faster and they won't make your nails look bulky. This is important when your nails are small because you don't want them to look too chunky. So for the other nail, I'm just gonna draw these little leaves. They don't have to be perfect, just play around with the detail nail brush. And this is actually a great idea for short nails because you can control exactly how much space you want to leave bare, so it gives the illusion that the nail is actually longer. And we're gonna apply 3 coats of the glitter polish in all of the nails. Now for the stamping, my favorite part, I'm using a white stamping polish and I play with different snowflake designs, and this is a tip for short nails. If you have snowflakes that are too big, don't stamp the whole image. You can stamp the corner that you like the best or just a little piece of it. This will give the illusion of a more delicate pattern. Here I'm stamping one full snowflakes in the middle and just a part of it in the corner. And for the other nails, I'm just stamping smaller snowflakes to balance that out. And we're gonna seal everything with a glossy top coat. Glitter always comes alive under top coat, so I would recommend you use that, and it's gonna smooth out all the texture and the stamping. And look at that, short, sparkly, perfectly festive. And if you want more Christmas idea, you can check out some of my previous videos here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!